What's up everyone, welcome to another episode here on our YouTube channel. Today we are in Poland, in Poznań, and we're ready for some more racing.
No balance. Oh, yeah. No balance. Okay. Okay.
Nie chcesz, żeby to spadło, nie?
Polish
Technology.
work. Technology.
What is this, Nico? Oh, wait.
It's a weather radar. I think so. I don't know.
Oh, you see. Yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah, we get another one, yeah?
What do you think of it?
Of the weather radar.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's gonna do, but it looks good. You wanna talk about the sessions as well?
Out there?
Sessions?
Yeah, we can do that.
Or you want a separate interview?
Tell us.
Huh?
How was the last session?
Fucking meg. One word, two words. But I am so much more comfortable. I sort of deleted the sim driving a bit and went back to real life driving, so it's good.
No, my friend. To jest internet. Kurwa, potrzebuję pierdolone duże, kurwa, ma narzędzia. So like that.
I think so. That's not gonna fall, right?
Huh?
So first test day wrapped up here in Poznań. We had really solid pace in the first two sessions. Yeah, we struggled a bit more going into the day. We tested some setups and yeah, we tested a lot of stuff. But honestly, I'm quite confident, really confident in the car from session one. So happy with that. And as usual here in Europe, it's absolutely crazy hot. So it's gonna be a very tough race, like it was in Slovakia probably, maybe even tougher. So yeah, as you can see, we have the whole gearing here, just weathering it, because we are fully drenched in sweat, everyone here right now. So see you on Friday.
What the fuck? Man, it's
Raining like no tomorrow.
Man, never saw so much water in my life.
The bridge is my fault.
Yeah. No.
No, mine's actually orange. It's old enough.
No.
This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this.
What the fuck?
I have just one question. Is this truck prepared for floods?
Yeah, but there was no floods. It's okay.
Yeah, we will see tomorrow.
Why are you speaking now?
How do you see the truck for tomorrow, Alex?
It looks wet.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, then I will show who it was.
What?
Dedication. Tak, coś
Are you talking with
Bartek. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Say hi, Bartek.
Hello guys.
Time for clean the car. Alex,
No! Nico.
clean the car. Or you're not driving tomorrow.
That's good enough? Unboxing. Live unboxing with Nico. Turn off the camera and I will say what it is. What? What?
It's narcotics.
Huh? Narcotics.
Cocaine. For Alex tomorrow, so he will go first.
It's long.
What?
It's big, it's long.
I said it's a deal. Oh no!
Nico, fuck up.
No, not the live commentary.
No, it's fine.
No.
What is that?
Bomb.
No. Okay.
More stickers. What?
Ooh! You know what is this? For the tires, for the rims.
Now it left us.
No.
No, what? Yes.
No, it's not. It doesn't fit.
Which tire is that?
What do you mean it doesn't fit? It fits.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Oh.
And it's fucked.
It won't fit.
It fits.
Really? You should put like that?
Yeah.
No, it won't. Shit.
You're gonna ruin it.
Huh? Like that?
Perfect.
No.
Perfect. Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
What would you put
Or
it
maybe-
down to your dick when it's gonna touch your stomach like this? My hands are getting dirty.
But I think you should take out your white sweater.
I have a fucking Drago under. That's way you gotta protect that.
Like, you're dumb as fuck.
Hello.
What a hard worker
Yes.
Alex is.
Żarkiem, bo tak wiecie, żeby nie pobrudzić.
I told him he should take out the white sweater.
So what's dirty about it? Oh, fuck.
Look.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye. It's Friday here in Poznań, in Poland. Today we have qualification, also 2 free practices. We only managed to get 2 laps in on the first one. They cut it short. We had very heavy rainfall here this night, but luckily for us it dried up. Would have been good to get some experience on the wet tires though, for sure. Now that we can get it before getting straight into the race, like it would be good to have some laps in practice or qualifying on rain, but we're probably gonna get it tomorrow in the race again. So yeah, pace, or I'm confident. We don't know about the pace yet, but we'll see after quali. So.
Our last session was shorter. Yeah, can you say to... We go briefing. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one.
Oh, someone crossed.
It's a big one for sure.
Not here? These are the new Drago company cars. So this is what each guy in the team has in the car. So
Which one are you choosing?
probably it's a hard one. It's between the
No, it's not here.
It's here.
what?
Oh, so it's here.
Higher flag because of this. If you be so kind and get them much closer, I will not yellow. So. Is there any paper to sign it?
Well, we just wrapped up qualifying here in Poznań. We got P7 in the end. Really difficult session. It started raining and we were P3 for a very long time. And then when the track dried up again, I didn't get a lap in good enough. We had traffic and I messed up the management or my track position a bit. So yeah, I got my exit screwed onto the lap and missed turn 1 completely while I got blocked by a guy ahead as well. So still positives. Step by step we're going upwards. P10 in Red Bull in quali, P9 in Slovakia and P7 here. So hopefully we continue this progress upwards and we can have some good positions in the races tomorrow with some good points. See you then.
GPS. For how
420 from home.
420.
Oh, hello. Hello. Now you have haircut and Alvar.
Hello. How are you feeling for the race, Alex?
Good. Yeah, that's the only comment I have now. Good. Ready. How's the croissant?
He's good, but you cannot eat it because you are a racing driver.
You are?
You are. I am a rent sport driver.
Ah.
czytać.
Thank you.
Asking the camera.
But I fucked up my front tire.
This hand? Video maker.
Make a zoom.
Oh, sorry.
Alex, don't go in the wrong step of the podium again.
No.
What position?
Moi drodzy, czekamy, safety car na torze, safety car na torze, jak tylko zjedzie safety car i ruszy wyścig, to drodzy Państwa poinformuję. Aleksander Spec, junior i kolejny junior, duże brawa i ogromne. Drugie miejsce Oskar Marszałkowski. Oskar, brawo, brawo, brawo i proszę Państwa, arena kolejowa, Bohemia i Gentleman, zapraszamy na podium.
Fresh off the podium here in Poznań. We managed to get P3 in junior and P5 in total. We started P7, had a really good start, and yeah, I overcooked my fronts a bit. I was really eager to get to the front. Pace was really there, but yeah, just really overheated the fronts, a little bit too aggressive, had a couple of lockups into turn one. Racecraft is really good, but a bit too stressed from the car behind, not really knowing where they are in the mirrors. So I'm a bit overly careful coming into the corners, but it's gonna be a hectic race tomorrow from P4. And let's see if we can grab the win.
Nie, mi to mówiła, jak powiedzieliśmy.
Which server are you in? The 2-hour 28 or 3-hour 2? Alright, so now we are in the simulator. We're about to start the 6-hour race here. I'm doing quali and the race start, so yeah, I'm pretty tired right now, but I think we can get some good things out of this race.
Good luck. Thank you.
No, but this is not first split.
Yeah.
Oh, Paul!
No, Relem will beat it. No, Alex. No. We are last. We are P7 and P11.
Było bardzo szybkie, naprawdę. Dzisiaj mamy tempo sprinterskie, ale za to dwa...
Get the fuck out. Nani. Alright, so we are here. No! We are here now. Calm down. Calm down. We are here now for the last day here in Poland, in Poznań. We're starting P5 for the final race here. Reverse grid was only top 4. But we had a solid race yesterday. More was possible for sure, but I overheated the tires quite a lot, the front end. So, yeah, I think we can get a good result in here today. Obviously 2 places better starting position than yesterday, so that's always good. And yeah, hopefully we can get a top 3 overall at least. That would make me happy. And I'll see you after the race.
W mojej ocenie najlepszy jego wyścig.
So, Bartek thinks that it was your best race so far.
Polskiego.
No, Marszałkowski.
Don't destroy your tires.
Było bardzo równe tempo.
It was really, it's so we were lacking the lap by lap, this like consistency. Now we are not lacking that, so it's good. But you have issue because there's only good driver, really the best drivers
Ale
in
wiem,
front.
że tam się może znaleźć i z nimi walczyć.
But Bartek says that he knows that you can be there and you can fight with them. But they are old, like Bekar and
Jakkolwiek,
Niemiecki.
może tam być. Tam.
It's super.
Okay, that's not happening.
Chodzisz z darmo.
czas.
Yeah.
But it is your first race in the race on the car team?
With Oscar. I had a really good entry, and I lost the rear of the curve by him, or the white line. But
We saw Oscar on the green.
yeah, he was so close to crashing so many times. In turn 1 he was sideways completely. I thought, like, I don't know how he saved it. Just full throttle. Thank you. Okay, so we have wrapped up final day here in Poznań. Not the result we wanted in the last race. It started absolutely pouring down rain in the after about 12 minutes into the race. It starts pouring down rain, and it was nothing I had experience in, so it was too difficult to try and get a better result. It was a shame considering how good pace we had yesterday in the dry, but shit happens, and yeah, I got some experience now on the rain, driving in real life in the rain with slick tires. So car's a little damaged, but overall not a bad weekend. Definitely could have got on better finish in the last race though. But yeah, I'll see you in Most.